microphone checker, 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 microphone checker. Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí baila. Brinca. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Brinca. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
What is up, guys? Tony here. This is going to be my unboxing video of my studio microphone. So this one is on Amazon. You guys can check it out. It's $29.99. Let me see. It does come with a couple things. It does come with the condenser microphone. It also comes with it's a studio package. So it comes with the mic, the arm stand, the windscreen, the pop filter, and the mask shield. So it's pretty nice. It comes with all that stuff. Let me go ahead and show you. Hey, what's up, KB? There's the microphone. It comes with everything you see right there. So the stand, the table mount stand, the microphone. Let me see. What's up, TJ? What is up, Alan? It comes with all that good stuff. So right there. So here's the website right there, Amazon. This is Cozy Pro BM800 white condenser microphone package. So real nice. Let me go ahead. Here is the microphone that I just picked up. The crazy thing about this microphone, not only that, shout out to everyone that's in the stream. Let me see, Tech Time in the building. Sean, what's up? If I didn't say hi to you, I probably didn't see you. What's up, BG? In the building, KB in the building, Phone Tech at work. Everybody's in here, that's cool. Okay, so the funny thing about this package right here is that it came just like this. Check it out, just like this. It came in this box. So basically, when you order it from Amazon, you better pay attention to packages, because if they deliver it just like this on your doorstep, I mean, this is the box that it came in. They basically just put a label on the back. Let me cover it up right there. You can see the label. They just stuck the label on the back and they shipped it just like that. I kind of don't like that, because someone walking by can see the box. They already know what it is. They can just snatch it up. So let me go ahead and open this up real quick. It's not taped up either. So when I got it, like just now, I opened it already. I checked it out, make sure everything was in there, because there was no tape holding the box shut or anything. I mean, anybody could have opened this, you know. Let me see. Now, yeah, that's cheap shipping. Exactly. So this is what you get in the box. Let me see if you guys can get a good picture of that, and move my phone over real quick. But here you guys can pause the video and read. If you guys do want to read this, this is the manual, basically a sheet of paper. And here's the nitty gritty. So here is, I'm guessing this is the pop filter. Like I said, this is new to me, pop filter. And then we have this microphone right here. This is the cover. This is the wind thing. I'm not too sure what that is. And let me see. Here is the microphone. This is where the microphone mounts up on. So you just squeeze the microphone in there. And then here's the bottom base. The stand is pretty long. Check it out. Let me see. Okay, and then this is the cord that I was telling you about. It plugs into the bottom of the microphone. Here's the microphone. Check it out. The microphone looks gorgeous, man. I like that. It's actually white. They got like 3 different colors on their website. I think you get the blue one. Let me see on the box. The blue, black, and white is all I saw. Yeah, blue, the black one, and then this is the white one. So I got the white. Let me see. And here's a connection cable that comes with it. I don't even know what kind of cable this is, but this plugs into the bottom. And then you can see on the other end, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So it looks like it may work real good with the MacBook. And then they actually give you an extra stand if you want to use a different type of microphone. So it screws on there. So this goes in here, real easy. Slides right in, boom, and then you've got the pop filter and everything else. This looks real good. But yeah, this is just going to be an unboxing on this particular microphone. This is a condenser mic. Once again, it is the BM800 from a company called Cozy. I'm going to go ahead and set all this up. Here's the microphone stand. You can see. I'm going to go ahead and set this all up. This is just a quick unboxing, guys, and test this microphone out. I will have a later video on the microphone. And that's going to be it for this quick video unboxing of the Cozy BM800 white condenser microphone. Links will be down in the description below. Like I said, they got 3 different colors. That'll be it for this video. Comment down below. Don't forget to share, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace out.